Greetings and welcome back to ShirtPocket Productions. And here's a little update on yesterday's video. I actually got another. Actually, when I made the video yesterday, I didn't know it yet, but I actually did get a copyright violation from YouTube made on MotoAmerica's behalf. Hang on a sec. For a production company, we don't do very well at this sometimes. Behest, whatever. Anyway, they slapped me with a copyright violation. They actually gave me a strike. So I've had copyright notices on my videos in the past where I ride this bike and I've got stereo on it and there's music playing coming through the stereo, and it's part of the overall background noise. You hear the wind, the bike, the stereo, whether it's my own music or whether it's the radio, what have you. And sometimes you hear the music of bikes near me or cars or whatever the ambient noise is. It comes throughout the video. It's part of the overall experience. I'm not broadcasting music, but I've been hit with copyright violations for music that came through on my videos before, not with the heavy hand of Facebook, where they'll actually mute your entire video. They'll just demonetize them mostly, or they don't actually hit you with a strike. They don't actually hit you with any real sanctions. There's been only one case where they've actually muted part of it or made it not viewable in certain areas. Never any kind of real penalty. Of just stuff I can live with, no problem. This time I got a strike though, and if you get 3 strikes, they can delete your account and all other accounts associated with me personally. I don't want that. It would also, I believe, restrict my email, and this account is associated to my primary email account, the one I use for everything, so I don't want that. And I was a little surprised. I actually posted a MotoAmerica, and what I posted was a screen cap. I used a screen capturing piece of software to capture the video that came through on my computer, because I bought the subscription last year to just one race, this year to the entire season from MotoAmerica. And so I captured it on my computer, video and sound, and rebroadcast it on YouTube. Now I know that's a violation of copyright. I didn't think they'd care, and based on last October's video, it appeared they didn't. Now, nobody ever said anything about it. And other people shared stuff too, and they actually shared their own stuff and never ever said anything about it. And then this year, I shared a very small segment of the qualifying portion, and then the entire race on Sunday. And they first hit me with yesterday, probably right as I was recording the video yesterday, the greetings video, with a strike. I had to go to copyright school. 4 questions that I could get my strike dropped in 3 months on August 2nd or 3rd or whatever it is. So I did that, got 3 questions right and 1 question wrong. And then I, at the same time, I got an email from MotoAmerica, from some guy at MotoAmerica, I can't remember his name offhand, somebody in their media department, and they said, we saw that you did this, and if you continue to, that we'll have to report them, and we'll also have to revoke your subscription, and we certainly don't want to do that. And it was a threatening email, but it was said in a friendly way, and I responded back, said, look, I wasn't intentionally trying to rob you of anything, and I honestly didn't think you'd care. I understand copyright law, and it's not a problem. I mean, I'll take it down or make it private. In fact, I already did that with the other 2 videos. So please don't report them. I've already voluntarily restricted their view to just me, and I don't need any more strikes. I don't need any more trouble. I didn't think you'd care. I've got a whopping 285 subscribers. It's not like the end of the world. Figured you'd actually be happy that your fledgling series, King of the Baggers, would be getting some more viewership and some more popularity. People will actually buy subscriptions to your service because of it, but they didn't see it that way, and he actually said that it's possibly got something to do with Fox Sports 1, who's bought the rights to it. And it's probably more complicated than all that. And, you know, it's, the bottom line is it's their intellectual property. It's their right to enforce it if they want to. And, you know, whatever reasons they have, that's their right. And I'm not going to argue with them about it. It's not my place to do that. So I restricted the videos, the other two videos. Nobody can see them anymore. And then this morning I got hit with another one on one of the restricted videos, one of the private videos, the race. Second strike. And I'm going, fuck. So I emailed MotoAmerica back. I haven't heard back from them yet. And I actually ended up deleting the first one. And it was private. Now it's deleted. I deleted all three of them, actually. You can, after they're removed, they're still there. But I deleted them anyway. And they're gone. They're gone now. Not going to do it again. So I do have some questions from MotoAmerica that are going to be coming up here in July. And that is this. I am going to the race in July at Laguna Seca. I will be recording it from wherever it is I am on the track at Laguna Seca. Now, I will be recording my own original content. I won't be using their video. I won't be using any of their property. I will have paid to get into the race, and I will be recording through my own camera, through my own media, racing that I have paid to go see. Now, I don't know if that is a copyright violation or not. I know, I think that if you go to like a football game, an NFL football game, you're not allowed to rebroadcast that stuff from the stands, but they don't do that. They don't care. And the video quality is not going to be anywhere near what they have. They've got multiple cameras at multiple sites and, you know, all kinds of controls and professional stuff. But that's a question. It's a question I have. And I would do it live. And I'm going to check with them too. I've got an email address of a guy there, and I'm going to say, hey, look, this is what I'm planning on doing. It doesn't seem like it's a violation. It's my own original content. It just happens to be your race. What do you say? And if they say okay, then great. Anyway, and if they say not okay, I'm going to press that issue and say, well, how does that work? I'm going to need some justification then. Anyway, I'm not real thrilled with some of the slapping, cracking down they're doing. And when it comes to music and shit like that, the artists are really shooting themselves in the foot. And I don't think it's the artists really anyway. It's the production companies, the music companies that are doing it. They're the ones that are cracking down, thinking they're losing money. But the fact is that when people disseminate artists' work on the internet, it helps them gain exposure. And ultimately, if people like it, they'll buy the original, full content, fully packaged stuff, like I do on iTunes. When I hear something I like, I'll go to iTunes and own it. And so that's really, the goal. And some artists understand that and play it up. They let their stuff be out there for free, and people that want it will buy it. And MotoAmerica shouldn't care that much about little guys like me, but they do. And again, it's their right. I'm not faulting them. I mean, I'm a little pissed off about YouTube's heavy hand in all this. I've never been a bad guy on YouTube, and all of a sudden they're fucking coming down like a fucking ton of bricks on me. But that's okay. I can take it. Anyway, that's why those videos are gone, in case anybody was wondering. And I'll figure something out. In the meantime, to do this live, if I am going to do it live, I still need more subscribers. Again, like I said last time, I hate to be that guy that says smash that like button, but I can't do it without your help. So if you want to see live content from races and other places like that from a mobile device, I need 1,000 subscribers. I've almost got the viewing hours. I need more subscribers. So if you want to do that, that'd be cool. Doesn't cost nothing. It doesn't cost anything. I'm a college professor, I should know better. It doesn't cost anything, and it would be it'd be cool. And if you have a channel that you want me to subscribe to, I will subscribe back. Not a problem. Anyway, until next time. Peace.